Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of Happy Life. Well, in this video we'll see how to exactly reach our goal to earn a lot of money, what we desire or what we want. Well, you might have seen a lot of people who earn a lot, and companies give them those money, or they earn those money not because of doing some kind of work. Those are done by common people or most of the people. Well, they do something special, or they are stuck in a place where those work or their skill really count. And these things can come when you analyze how much the company is paying them per hour or per day. See all these things in your daily schedule. When you analyze all these things, see what are your works, and based on your work, based on your daily activities, how much you are getting paid. If you find the difference, if you find the skill, why not go to that friend or that person who earns a lot of money in that skill, using that skill or doing that kind of activities. Why not go there? And even if your work schedule also, if for example, me, I am not an entrepreneur. I do some YouTube videos, and frankly I don't earn anything in YouTube, and I work for a company. Well, I have to see in my 8 to 9 hours of work what are the activities that I'm doing. And in a company, it's of course promotion, which will earn me more money. So I have to see, well, I see all the tasks or activities that I do in my company, and I see those 8 to 10 tasks that I do. I round off like two to 3 or 4 tasks which are very important, and where I have to focus or give more time in those 2 to 3 or maybe at most 4 activities, which will take me to the next level, or which will get me promoted, which in turn will make me more valuable, and I'll get more money from my company. So in this way, in your daily activities also, analyze your activities, analyze your work. If most of your work or most of your time are non-valuable or simply common, which can be done by anybody, then you may not get that amount of money that you wanted. So to get that amount of money, you should have the skill, of course, and try to see what kind of activities, what kind of work you do. Are they that valuable that it would earn you that amount of money? If that is not, find out those 1 or 2 works you feel everybody every day would be doing those 1 or 2 works. It depends how much time you are spending for doing those 1 or 2 most valuable work or activities, which will take you to the next level, or which will earn you more money than you are doing now. So friends, time management these days, success, goal, all depends on what you don't do. Time has come that our success or our capabilities or capacity to earn money depends on what we leave, what we don't do, and most of our time should go into our most valuable or those activities which will earn us more per hour or per day. So we have to stick on to that. People say some Pareto laws, something like 80-20. You should spend like 80% of your time on those valuable activities, and 20 on all other non-valuable, which doesn't matter in your life. It could be 70-30, it could be 90-10 also. So the basic thing is, or the basic idea is, that you should invest most of your time, maybe 80% of your time, on those 2 to 3 valuable activities which will take you to the next level, which will earn you lots of money. So friends, this is how you should plan your professional life, your work life, where you want to earn more and more money. So find out those 2 to 3 activities, and it's a like journey. It's not like today this 2 or 3 activities will give me more money. Tomorrow you realize that another 2 or 3 activities in the next level, when you go, you realize that some other 2 or 3 activities will be or skills will get me more money. Focus most of your time on those 2 to 3 things, and when you focus on very less things, it really gives you results and fruits, instead of scattering all your talents, time onto many unfruitful or general activities, common activities that will lead you nowhere, or which will not give you anything in your life. So friends, the main idea was in this video to focus or identify those 2 or 3 most important activities in your day, and give most of your time on those activities which will earn you more money. So I hope this video was quite useful, and if you apply this tips or think it will for sure take you or earn you a lot of money in your life. The main challenge is to identify those 2 or 3 activities every day. So friends, I hope you apply this tip, and please comment how you like this idea and whether it is working or not in this comment section. And please subscribe to this channel Happy Life for getting more of such productivity improving, life enhancing videos all the time. So till our next video, see you again. Thank you.